In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a ticket in Zoho Desk. This is a core feature for managing customer issues and keeping your support system organized. Start from your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can see all support activity in one place. From here, click on the Tickets tab. This section displays all existing tickets, including open and resolved ones. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the plus icon. From the options that appear, select Create New Ticket, then choose Ticket. This will open the ticket creation form. Now, fill in the ticket details. Enter the customer's name or contact information first. Then add a clear and specific subject that briefly explains the issue. After that, write the description, including all relevant details so the support agent understands the problem clearly. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Your ticket is now created and added to the system, ready to be tracked and resolved. And that's it. You've successfully created a ticket in Zoho Desk, making it easier to manage customer requests and deliver faster support. Thanks for watching and happy ticketing in Zoho Desk.